Your Android phone just got a feature that could literally save your life. Hey GAD Insiders, welcome to your Go to Tech place. Google is rolling out Android Emergency Live Video, a game-changing tool that lets 911 responders see exactly what you're seeing in real time. Imagine a crash on the highway, a sudden medical emergency at home, or a dangerous situation you got stuck in. Instead of trying to explain the chaos, emergency services can request a live video stream straight from your phone's camera. With one tap, you can share what's happening, the feed is encrypted for safety, and you can stop the stream anytime. It's simple, fast, and could make the difference between life and death. Sudden cardiac arrest? The responder can watch your hands as they guide you through CPR. A serious accident? They can instantly assess injuries, spot hazards, or send the right help faster. It's the closest thing to having a paramedic right there beside you without the response time. And the best part, you don't have to set up anything. If your phone runs Android 8 or higher and has Google Play services, it's ready. That means millions of phones already have the tech inside them, silently waiting for the moment you need it. But there's one catch: this life-saving feature is launching in only a handful of places. Right now, it works in the US, selected regions of Germany, and parts of Mexico. Google says it's working with public safety agencies worldwide to expand the reach, and frankly, the rest of the world can't get it soon enough. It's rare to see a smartphone update this important, this practical, and this powerful. Emergency calls may never be the same again, and for once, that's very good news. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.